I really love WAGO's 221 wire splicing connector, but I'm wondering if there's anything I can use that may be just a bit quicker to wire.
Well, you know there always is. WAGO's 2773 series with PUSHWIRE technology.
So how does this make things quicker?
Well, instead of lifting up a lever, you can just push in the properly stripped wire with really low force, and you're set.
That will make things a lot faster. I'm pretty excited about the new Gelboxes from WAGO too.
Yeah, but aren't they just for the 221 series and inline?
Nope, I can use them with the 2773 series as well. Just wire up, place the 2773 connector in the gel, and close the lid, and you're done.
That is so cool. It means wiring jobs with 2773s will be protected from moisture and humidity, and even direct water contact like accidentally hitting it with the hose.
WAGO's Gelboxes
and 2773 wire splicing connectors with PUSHWIRE technology make it a dry and reliable 2 for Tuesday.
To learn more about our Gelboxes, go to www.wago.com/us/wago-gelbox-overview and see which one will work for your wiring application.
And by heading to www.wago.com/us/series-2773, you can get into more specifics about the reliability and ease of the 2773. Even request a sample. Happy Tuesday.